Look at this Bronco. Let's see. 92. As is, 1,500 bucks. Yeah, you know what? As is for $1,500. Fuck, it's not even worth that, I don't think. Parts truck, that's about it. Yeah, great parts truck. I think this would share parts with my 95. Other than that, I don't know what parts. It's sun visor. And if you look at it though, it is all original. Look at the rear bumper. The bumper's straight. That's a good sign that it's never done really any hardcore off-roading. And it's got all this funky flares on it. A roll along. But look at the tire carrier is straight, nice tight gap on there. Ooh, center lines. It's registered. It's got some funky. The interior, man. So I would say this vehicle has never seen any very hardcore off-roading. By the looks of it, let's take a look underneath it real quick. Look for dents underneath the skid plates and stuff. Look at that gas tank. No dents on there at all. Everything looks pretty much factory. Sway bars are still on there. I don't see any leaks. Cool running boards. Can we open it? Wednesday, July 4th, 2018, and this is my 1995 Bronco. Yeah, it's not what it used to be. Not only is it old, it's been on a lot of trails, and I rolled it over on its side back in, what, 2016? In 2016, I rolled it over on its side, which damaged this whole side right here. It pushed in the firewall, the door, I replaced the door, the fender. This top was smashed in, so I replaced the top. I cut it here, replaced half of the top. I didn't replace the whole thing. I replaced this, just this side. And when it came to painting it, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, so I just gave it a quick Rust-Oleum paint job, yeah. And so far it's just been sitting here because it's not the same. You know, to go anywhere four-wheeling here or off the trails in Southern California, it's going to take me an hour and a half to 2 hours highway driving just to find a decent trail to go out and spend the day. So it's no fun driving this thing on the highway anymore. It used to be really smooth and quiet and fun to drive. Roll up the windows, throw the AC on, and just cruise it. Hit the cruise control. But all the years and miles it's got on it, it shakes and rattles and it's noisy, and like the doors don't fit right anymore, so you can hear the air leaks underneath, and you know, This door will never fit the same because I had to shim it. I had to shim the hinges out a 1/4 inch. Damn it. To straighten things up, to make the door fit after trying to straighten out the firewall and all that. Did the best I could on my own by myself. I did my own body work on it. It came out reasonably good. Only part I really had trouble with was right here, and I figured it ain't that bad, just leave it, right? I've got a Fab 4 rear bumper on it. I custom fit off of Super Duty. I put new mirrors on it because the new mirrors were all damaged. I just rewired everything. I got new tires and wheels. Well, actually they're 2 years old now. I haven't gone anywhere in them. Redid the headlights. Got a winch. Ow, damn it. But yeah, it just sits here because it's no fun to drive. Number one question I get from people is, what's up with the Bronco? Well, here it is.